Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction occurs in the Ecomi or Omi crypto. If you are a holder of Omi, so this video is very special for you. In this video I will show you the live price change occur in the Omi. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Omi crypto. Now let's start the video. First of all, you look the price prediction of last 1 hour. After that we look the last 2 hour price prediction, and after that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is live price prediction of last 1 hour. Friends, it's a surprise news for all of Omi holders. As you can see here, the current status of Omi, so they are jumping upward. Their jumping period starts from this time. If we look the average change, the negative 1.07% chance occur in Omi in the last 1 hour. Soon they are positive, because now at this time the jumping time or starts, so soon they are in positive. And the high price of Omi is about $0.007894 is the high price of Omi in the last 1 hour. Now let's see the last 2 hour price prediction. What's the price change goes in the last 2 hour? What's the high price of Omi in the last 2 hour? As you can see here, the last 2 hour previous period of Omi is in the fast, as I show you, and the last 1 hour. But don't worry about the falling of Omi. And now currently at this time they start jumping, as I show you in the last 1 hour price prediction. And the average change occur in the Omi in the last 2 hours is about negative 1.46%, and the high price of Omi is about $0.007944 is the high price of Omi in the last 2 hours, friends. So friends, according to the price prediction of Omi, the last 1 hour, the last 2 hours both are negative. And as I show you in the start of this video, the last 1 hour price prediction, the Omi start jumping now at this time. So that is why my suggestion for all of you that please hold your Omi coin with the last of this month, because the big pumps are coming soon and now the jumping period of Omi are starts. So please hold it. And if you want to buy Omi network, so please, it's not best time to buy Omi when they start a high explosion. It is the best time for you to buy Omi network, and don't sell it. Don't do this mistake at this time. Please don't sell it. Hold it with the last of this month. What's your opinion about Omi? Please share in the comment box, and also remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.